Welcome to Core Photo Edit, where your photos meet perfection. We are a team of professional photo editors with over 7+ years of experience. At Core Photo Edit, we specialize in transforming ordinary photos into stunning visuals that capture attention and drive results. We offer a full range of photo editing services tailored for e-commerce, fashion, jewelry, automotive, sport and electronics, furniture, clothing and apparel, accessories, footwear, real estate industries. Our services include clipping path, background removal, ghost mannequin, image masking, color correction, e-commerce photo editing, shadow creation and reflection, jewelry photo editing, automotive car editing, any kind of product photo editing, bulk product photo editing for Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, eBay. Why choose Core Photo Edit? 24/7 availability, affordable pricing, fast turnaround, 100% quality guarantee, free trial available, so you can test before you trust. Here's what our clients say about us. Sarah M., Head of e-commerce, UK fashion brand. Core Photo Edit has been a game changer for our product images. Their turnaround time is exceptional, and the quality is always on point. We've seen a clear boost in our online conversions since working with them. James R., automotive photographer, California, USA. I've worked with many editors, but the attention to detail and consistency from Core Photo Edit is unmatched. They understand the automotive industry's visual needs perfectly. Elena G., jewelry designer and founder, Spain. What I love about Core Photo Edit is their ability to make every piece of jewelry shine, literally. The images look so clean and premium. They feel like part of our in-house team. Whether you're a photographer, brand, or e-commerce business, we're here to help you shine. Let's turn your images into impactful visuals. Visit us at website, email, info@corephotoedit.com. WhatsApp, +88017030688509. Start with a free trial today.